Namaste children. Today I am going to teach from Employability Skills book, Unit 4, Entrepreneurial Skills. In that unit, we are going to see first session, that is Entrepreneurship and Society. Session objectives. In this session, you are going to learn about entrepreneurship and society. Then what is the role of entrepreneurs and how they help in the growth of society. Everything you are going to learn from this session, children. Who is an entrepreneur? A person who sees a problem is a human being. A person who finds a solution is visionary. And the person who goes out and does something about it is an entrepreneur. The entrepreneur is defined as someone who has the ability and desire to establish, administer, and succeed in a startup venture along with risk entitled to it to make profits. The best example of entrepreneurship is the starting of a new business venture. The entrepreneurs are often known as a source of new ideas are innovators and bring new ideas in the market by replacing old with a new invention. What is entrepreneurship? Entrepreneurship is the ability and readiness to develop, organize, and run a business enterprise along with any of its uncertainties in order to make a profit. The most prominent example of entrepreneurship is the starting of new businesses. India needs entrepreneurs. An entrepreneur helps a country in its overall economic development. In such a situation, promotion of entrepreneurship is very much needed in the country like India. It signifies that more citizens have the potential to work, be productive, and contribute for the country's economic development. Now, let me read the definition for entrepreneurship from your book. Entrepreneurship is the type of self employment where one is running a business to satisfy the needs of people and looking for ways to make the business better to make profits. Let us see the qualities of successful entrepreneurs. They are confident. They believe in themselves and their abilities. They keep trying new ideas in their business. They are patient. They are creative and think differently about business ideas. They take responsibility for their actions. They take decisions after thinking about them. They work hard. They do not give up when they face a difficulty. These are the qualities of successful entrepreneurs. Entrepreneurship and society. Already you learned about entrepreneur. That definition already you know. How you can earn money. That in two ways you can earn money. That already you learned in ninth standard. What are the two ways? One is wage employment. Another one is self-employment. Wage employed people are people who work for a person or an organization and get paid for that work. Self employed people are those who start businesses to satisfy the needs of people. A self employed person who is always trying to make his or her business better by taking risk and trying new ideas is an entrepreneur. Now I am going to give an example. Example, Ramya and Ramu both own plant shops. Ramu sits at his shop every day. When customers come, he sells to them. Ramya walks around and gets customers to her shop. She also sells seeds and flowers with her plants. Ramya is working to do more and grow her business. She has also added a different idea to her business. So, Ramya is an entrepreneur and Ramu is a businessman. Now, let us see how entrepreneur helping the society. Entrepreneurs run their businesses in a market. The market has people who buy products and services and people who sell them also. When people are buying and selling from each other, it is helpful for everyone because everyone involved makes money. This is how entrepreneurs help in growing the area and the society they live in. Now we are going to see another example. In this, we can see how the entrepreneurs are helping the society and people around us. Aditi has a store where she sells different types of shampoos. She has many customers. She buys the shampoos in large quantities from a woman. There are two men who work in the store to help her sell. Aditi is helping people in her area to make money. She is also increasing jobs in her area. Aditi is helping the people in the society around her to live better. So, what do entrepreneurs do when they run their business? What is the role of entrepreneurs? We'll see that in next slide. Role of entrepreneurs. They have to fulfill the customer's need. Demand means a product or service that people want. Entrepreneurs find out what people want, then they use their creativity to come up with a business idea that will meet that demand. Next one is use local materials. Entrepreneurs use the material and people available around them to make products at low cost. Next one is help society. Entrepreneurs have a positive relationship with the society. They make profits through activities that benefit society. Some entrepreneurs work towards saving the environment. Some give money to build schools and hospitals. This way, the people and area around them becomes better. Entrepreneurs are creating jobs. How they are creating the job? With the growth of a business, entrepreneurs look for more people to help them. They buy more material and from more people. They also hire more people to work for them. In this way, more people have jobs. Sharing of wealth. Wealth means having enough money to live a comfortable life. As entrepreneurs grow their business, the people working for them and in related businesses also grow. In this way, they have more money to live a better quality life. Lower price of products. As more entrepreneurs sell the same product, the price of the product goes down. For example, when more mobile phones were getting sold in India, the cost of the phone became lesser. Now, I am going to give an example for role of entrepreneurs in society. Let us say take the Bharati story. Bharati, the jewelry queen. Bharati is a young woman from Bihar. Many girls in her area like to wear earrings. She buys jute from a farmer and makes earrings from that. Her business is called Manavi, Natural Handicrafts. She sees that most women in her village do not work, so she hires two women to help her. As her orders increase, she buys more jute. She hires three more women to work for her. The farmer and the women working for her now earn more money. they are able to save money for their future. Do you think Bharati is an entrepreneur? Read her story and tick the correct answer for each question in the following table. Read Bharati's story once again and tick the correct answer for each question in the table, children. What you learnt from this lesson, children? What do you mean by entrepreneurship and qualities of successful entrepreneur, and then role of entrepreneurs and how they are helping in the growth of society? Everything you learnt from this session, no? Read this lesson, children. In this slide, I gave practical exercise, children. One activity I gave, read and then try this, children. Thank you, children. We'll meet in the next session.